Welcome to the tutorial 12 on electron circuits lab using Multisim. It's a single tone amplifier. Single tone amplifier, the cutter resistor is replaced by a tank circuit. The frequency of oscillation is determined by the value of L1 and C2. At frequency of oscillation, at resonant frequency, you are getting maximum peak value. Choose the frequency response AC sweep. Run this. You can view the frequency response of the single tone amplifier using the cursor. Move to the peak value. What is the frequency correspond to the peak value? 2.01 kilohertz. This is practical frequency of oscillation. What is the value of theoretical frequency? F is equal to 2.109 kilohertz. 2.109 kilohertz. This one theoretical